Saving money is a crucial aspect of financial health, and reaching significant milestones can have transformative effects on one's life. Among these milestones, saving $10,000 stands out as a particularly impactful achievement. This sum, while seemingly arbitrary, marks a pivotal point where your financial landscape begins to change noticeably. The process of accumulating this amount involves developing disciplined saving habits, which in itself can lead to significant lifestyle changes. But the benefits extend far beyond just the practice of saving. Reaching $10,000 in savings symbolizes financial stability and opens doors to new opportunities. It's more than just a number in your bank account. It represents security, freedom, and a solid foundation for future financial endeavors. This milestone can alleviate the constant stress and anxiety associated with financial instability, providing peace of mind and a greater sense of control over your life. Having $10,000 set aside can greatly enhance your financial flexibility, allowing you to pursue opportunities and handle unexpected expenses without derailing your overall financial plan. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which saving $10,000 can transform your financial situation, improve your quality of life, and set the stage for achieving larger financial goals. But before we dive in, I need you to drop a comment saying, "I am a wealth creator." Positive affirmations attract good things into our lives, so comment, "I am a wealth creator." And when I see your comment, I'll give it a heart. Now let's continue. One of the most immediate and profound effects of saving $10,000 is the financial stability it brings. Having a safety net of this magnitude provides a cushion against life's unexpected events, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Without a financial buffer, such incidents can be catastrophic, leading to increased stress and potential debt. With $10,000 in savings, you have the means to address these emergencies without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. Financial stability translates directly into peace of mind. Knowing that you have a substantial amount saved can significantly reduce the anxiety associated with financial uncertainty. This reduction in stress can lead to improved mental health, better sleep, and an overall increase in quality of life. The peace of mind that comes with financial stability also allows you to focus more on other important aspects of life, such as personal relationships, career development, and hobbies. Having $10,000 saved provides a psychological buffer. It creates a sense of security that can improve your overall outlook on life. This security is not just about having money, it's about having the confidence to handle whatever comes your way. The knowledge that you have a financial cushion can empower you to make decisions that are in your best interest rather than decisions driven by fear or necessity. Financial stability can lead to more deliberate and less impulsive financial decisions. When you're not constantly worried about making ends meet, you can take the time to plan and prioritize your expenditures more effectively. This can lead to better financial habits and a more sustainable financial future. Saving $10,000 can have a profound impact on your credit worthiness. Credit worthiness is a measure of how likely you are to repay borrowed money, and it plays a crucial role in your financial life. Lenders use your credit score to determine the terms of loans and credit cards, and a higher score can lead to better interest rates and more favorable loan conditions. When you have $10,000 in savings, it demonstrates financial responsibility and the ability to manage money effectively. Lenders view this positively, as it suggests that you are less likely to default on loans. This improved perception can lead to an increase in your credit score, making it easier to qualify for loans and credit cards with favorable terms. A higher credit score translates to lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. This can save you a significant amount of money over time, particularly on large loans such as mortgages or car loans. For example, a lower interest rate on a mortgage can reduce your monthly payments and the total amount paid over the life of the loan by thousands of dollars. Similarly, lower interest rates on credit cards can help you pay off balances faster and reduce the cost of carrying debt. In addition to lower interest rates, an improved credit score can lead to higher credit limits. Higher credit limits can improve your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to your total credit limit. A lower credit utilization ratio positively impacts your credit score, further enhancing your credit worthiness. This creates a virtuous cycle where responsible financial behavior leads to better credit terms, which in turn allows for more responsible financial behavior. Reaching $10,000 in savings opens up a wide range of investment opportunities. Investing is a key strategy for growing wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. With a solid financial foundation, you can explore various investment options to diversify your portfolio and build passive income streams. One of the primary benefits of having $10,000 to invest is the ability to diversify your investments. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. By investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can protect yourself against market volatility and increase the potential for returns. With $10,000, you have enough capital to create a well-diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward. Stocks are a popular investment option that can offer significant returns over time. With $10,000, you can purchase shares in a variety of companies, ranging from established blue-chip stocks to emerging growth stocks. Investing in a mix of stocks can provide exposure to different sectors of the economy and the potential for capital appreciation. Additionally, some stocks pay dividends, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Bonds are another investment option that can provide stability and income. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to corporations or governments in exchange for regular interest payments. They are generally considered lower risk than stocks, making them a good option for balancing your portfolio. With $10,000, you can invest in a mix of corporate and government bonds to achieve a balance of safety and yield. One of the most important benefits of saving $10,000 is the establishment of a robust emergency fund. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account set aside for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It acts as a financial safety net, providing security and peace of mind. An emergency fund of $10,000 can cover a wide range of unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home maintenance. These types of expenses can arise suddenly and often require immediate attention. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to use high-interest credit cards or take out loans to cover these costs, leading to increased debt and financial stress. With $10,000 set aside, you can handle these emergencies without disrupting your overall financial plan. The peace of mind that comes with having an emergency fund cannot be overstated. Knowing that you have money set aside for emergencies reduces financial anxiety and allows you to focus on other aspects of your life. It provides a sense of security that enables you to make better financial decisions and take advantage of opportunities without fear of financial setbacks. Having a dedicated emergency fund also helps you avoid tapping into other savings or investment. When you have a separate fund for emergencies, you can keep your other financial goals on track. For example, you won't need to withdraw from your retirement accounts or investment portfolio to cover unexpected expenses. This helps preserve the growth potential of your investments and keeps you on the path to achieving your long-term financial goals. Building an emergency fund instills disciplined saving habits. The process of setting aside money regularly for emergencies encourages financial responsibility and budgeting. Once you reach the $10,000 milestone, you are likely to continue saving and maintaining your emergency fund, ensuring ongoing financial security. Reaching the $10,000 savings mark often requires a significant shift in spending habits and financial discipline. The process of saving this amount can lead to lasting changes in how you manage your money, ultimately resulting in improved spending habits and greater financial stability. One of the key lessons learned from saving $10,000 is the importance of budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential for tracking your income and expenses, identifying areas where you can cut back, and ensuring that you save consistently. This disciplined approach to budgeting helps you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary or impulsive purchases. By developing a habit of budgeting, you can maintain control over your finances and continue to save and invest effectively. Another important aspect of improved spending habits is the shift in mindset from impulsive buying to thoughtful spending. When you are focused on saving $10,000, you become more aware of your spending patterns and the impact of each purchase on your financial goals. This awareness helps you make more deliberate and intentional spending decisions, focusing on what truly adds value to your life. As a result, you are less likely to spend money on non-essential items and more likely to allocate your resources towards meaningful and fulfilling experiences. Improved spending habits also involve a greater emphasis on saving and investing for the future. Once you reach the $10,000 milestone, you are likely to continue prioritizing savings and investments, recognizing the long-term benefits of financial discipline. This ongoing commitment to saving can help you build wealth, achieve financial goals, and create a secure financial future. Reaching the $10,000 savings mark also brings a significant increase in financial freedom. This level of savings provides more choices and flexibility in how you manage your finances and make decisions. Financial freedom is about having the ability to make choices that improve your quality of life without being constrained by immediate financial concerns. With $10,000 saved, you have the freedom to pursue opportunities that may have been previously out of reach. For example, you might decide to take a course to advance your career, invest in a small business idea, or take time off work to travel and explore new places. The financial freedom gained from having $10,000 saved allows you to make these decisions without the constant worry of financial repercussions. This financial flexibility extends to everyday decisions. You no longer have to stress about minor expenses or live paycheck to paycheck. This change can significantly improve your quality of life, as you can afford to spend on experiences or items that bring joy and satisfaction without the guilt or fear of overspending. This freedom also enables you to take advantage of financial opportunities that arise unexpectedly, such as investing in a promising stock or purchasing a high-value item at a discount. The journey to saving $10,000 is a testament to your financial responsibility and determination. It is a significant stepping stone that opens doors to greater financial opportunities and personal growth. Saving $10,000 is a pivotal milestone that can change your life in profound ways. It empowers you with financial security, freedom, and the confidence to pursue your dreams. Start today and experience the transformative effects of saving $10,000.